Welcome back. Now this video is in two parts. If you haven't seen the part one, you might want to go watch it before coming back to this to be informed of the steps I took and how I got here. Without delaying you further, let's jump right in. So remember how I told you in part one that I bleached the frontal off camera? This is her right now, and I'm going to make a wig out of this, and I will be making the wig off camera. This is the wig and she's all done. This is how the hair and the frontal are both looking like. This is the color, but I'm just going to do extra, and yes, dye the hair. People dye the hair. Yeah, so that's the dye I will be using, and I used my 30 volume developer. It did come with a developer, but I will be switching it to mine, and it came with a hand glove and a comb. You will be needing a plastic mixing bowl, but I would leave details of all the products I use in the description box. I poured the content into the plastic mixing bowl and mixed it up and started to apply to the hair. You see that foil paper, the aluminium foil? I ended up not using it. Before I applied the product, I brushed through the hair, left it for 45 minutes, shampooed, conditioned, and let it dry. I am going to be straightening the hair with Cream of Nature heat protector. Now see the shine after applying the heat protector to the hair. I'm loving this. This is what the hair looks like after being straightened, and you can still see the shine. Hi, so let's apply the wig on. I wanted to use a stocking cap, but I changed my mind and decided to do something different, you know. I am using 85% alcohol to clean my edges to get rid of any oil or dirt, so my wig could stick perfectly. And please ignore the raggedy cornrow. When the alcohol was dry, I used the Got to Be Free spray to spray my to lay my edges down, and it was burning my eyes. I don't know why. So you could use a scrunchie to hold your hair behind, but since it's what I will be taking off a couple of hours, I decide not to. I'm just going to brush the hair back, or rather comb the hair back, so it doesn't get in my way. So I placed the hair properly and pushed it back so I could be able to walk well. I'm using the Got to Be Free spray again, only to spray my edges and then lay the wig. With the help of a rat tail comb, I combed my hair backwards and then used the tail of the comb to push the lace to my head. I thought about doing baby hair, but I changed my mind at the end of the video, and I'm just going to tie it down and then dry it. I dried it for 5 minutes or less, and yeah, unravel, people, unravel. Like I said, I changed my mind on the baby hair, and guess what? It is so secured, it's not going anywhere. So I decided to do a middle part, and then I went in with my hot comb to make sure the hair was slicked down, and I'm loving the results. Like, I love that at the end of this video. You could use the freeze spray to hold on any flyaways, but I will be using a wax stick today. Ta-da! We are done. The tips of the hair came out looking ash blonde, but I would leave a video sometime to show you how I corrected it. Please do not forget to like this video, subscribe. I love you. Thank you for watching. Mwah.